Hey guys, it's Ashley from Out Decocrated Reviews, and today we are unboxing. Guess what it is? I'm so excited. Okay, so this is Decocrated. You possibly saw my fall unboxing. If you did, you know that this box was amazing. It is my favorite home decor box ever. And I've done quite a few. So let me tell you about Decocrated. This is their winter box. It is currently sold out. You cannot get this box, unfortunately, but you can sign up to get the spring box. These boxes are $79.99 quarterly, okay? Free shipping. I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put that down below. It's Ashley10. And they're just fantastic. They're themed. They even give you a color palette. The fall box was amazing. I do have also a spring spoiler that I will share with you guys in my blog. If you're interested in seeing that, I will link down below to my full review, which I will be doing. I'll also link to Decocrated so you can check them out. I do love this box. This is a phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal box. So anyway, without further ado, let's just start busting it open. So it's beautiful. Everything is packaged perfectly. You literally couldn't ask for a better box. Oh, and so they send a little print, I think, in each one. Just little things that you can use, like here. Cheers, salud, kin kippa, skull, prost. I don't know what all those words mean. And then on the back, you can have this tis the season. So once Christmas is over and you don't want Christmas, you can turn this over for New Year's and things like that. And this we received in the fall box. You guys know, it's like a frame and it has a little clip. And you put these in there, and it's just a nice way to dress up your area and easily swap things out. I think that's so neat. So this is their winter key colors, key elements. They tell you all this stuff, which is really cool. What's included, combining elements. We're not going to peek though. I just love everything that they include, so you understand how to use it, how to decorate, whatever, you know. If I could get Oh my gosh, Ashley. What am I doing wrong here? I'll try it this way. Oh, it's really shoved in there. There it is. I think there might have been a little bit of glue or something. I don't know. So there's our little pamphlet, and then they're going to show you, but we're not going to peek. And the spoiler, I read in the spoiler thing, when you look at the picture, there's something from each shelf. When I didn't look at the picture yet. Anyway, so take note of that, right? Okay. I'm going to put the box down because this makes it harder. I'm holding it, as you can imagine. Alright, so first up we have this guy here. This might be empty because the last one was. Remember that? You guys, so one of you guys was like, oh my gosh, you didn't open that? What if there's something in it? There might be something in here, actually. I don't know. It might be empty. Might not. No, this is just, is it? No, I'm glad I opened it. There was something in there. All right, so this is, I love how they send them on these pink boards too. So the pink board is cardboard. It's just decorative and it matches there. A wreath. It's metal. This is handcrafted. I am one of a kind. I was handcrafted by a master artisan. Therefore, I will have subtle variations and blemishes. Please don't think any less of me because of my imperfections. They make me unique. So you hang this up. This is absolutely gorgeous. OMG. Loving already. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, are you seeing it? All right. So, I love this box. $79.99. I'm just tickled pink. I'm finally, my chest is finally starting to feel better. I can still sound pretty crappy, but it's getting better. I'm getting there. All right. This is, let's see here. Something in a box. I say that now I'm going to have a coughing spell. Please don't do this, Ashley. All right, what is this? How are you guys doing on Christmas shopping? I am almost done. I keep wanting to buy more, but I'm you don't need to buy anymore. All right, so this is a happy, oh, is it a Happy New Year? Yeah, this is a Happy New Year sign. Okay, I'm not going to open it all up, but they're all on these little, so you hang this up. Aww. there's two. Happy, oh, there's probably actually three. So you can, uh-oh, my Y fell off. Oh, no. So, there you go. I'm not going to unfurl them right now because that would just be messy. I'm going to hang them up, though. I don't think we're having a party this year. We had one last year, but I don't think we're going to have one this year. Maybe we will. I don't know. Okay. Next up. Oh, Lord. Whew. Oh, something metal. Something metal in here. All right. Gotta watch my fingers. Ooh, girl. Look at this. I almost bought something like this the other day when I was out and about. Is this another handcrafted? Oh, it's a bucket. How gorgeous is this to get some dried, like, grass or those tall, like, I don't know the name of them, to put in here, like, to match the gold. So this, I think, is also handcrafted, probably by the same person that did the, yes, so that's the same sort of metal, handcrafted metal that the wreath was made of. This is beautiful. I love this. I think I'm going to put it by my fireplace. Right? Maybe it would get really hot, though. I don't know. It's so pretty, though. So you can see the theme, like the finish is metal. The finish, one of the finishes, I should say. What is this? I have my nails coming off right now. I'm sorry, everybody. It's like broken and I just need to not have it dangling. All right, this is a, oh, it's a table runner. How beautiful is this? I love it. It doesn't, is this Decocrated? Is this like their own brand? It looks like it. It looks like their logo. So it's this really cool, very natural looking, and then they've got the black striping, and this is in their color scheme. I think that's beautiful. I love that fabric too. Okay. All right. Is this this might be empty just because of space, but we're gonna keep it in here. Never know, right? Yeah, that one's empty. This one's not. Okay, this sounds like more metal. Decorative use. Displayed with a candle, use only a flameless LED or non-lit candle. So this is like a little candle house. It's a, isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. And then I love the little chimney. Isn't it cute? It's got a little chimney. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I don't know if I'll put a candle in here. We might use this for Elf on the Shelf ideas. All right. So moving along, I think this is our last item. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure. I'm like, is it empty or is there? Okay. This is it, guys. The last hurrah. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. Look at this. All right. So first it says, let it snow, which I live in Pennsylvania and I love snow. Sometimes I wish for snow and then I get snow and I'm like, no. But what's really cool about this, and it's like a natural wood, which is really cool. My husband loves natural wood. Like, he doesn't like the stain. He likes this like very light, natural looking wood. If you are not a snow person, or you live in an area where this is ridiculous to put because, you know, you can also say bless this home, which is really cool. So you could use this to be honest, year round. I really like to let it snow, and I'll be using that. So that is everything that I received in my Decocrated. So we have the wooden sign, the little red house, the metal bucket, the metal wreath, the Happy New Year string ups, and the table runner, which for $79.99, you get a whole new look to any room you want, really. I mean, the table runner is kind of a kitchen type item, but you could use that on a coffee table. I'm actually going to use it on my coffee table. I know that. I was already thinking about it. So really, it's just a great box. I love it. I do love it. If you're interested in checking them out, check them out below. Use my coupon code. Also, I'll link to my full review. I'm pointing at you guys with scissors, which is so rude. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.